2.5-year-old Portuguese water dog. He'll be doing our 1-week board and train. Just a couple reasons that he's staying with us are that he is super jumpy. He loves jumping to say hi. He also loves jumping on the counters and grabbing stuff he's not supposed to. He needs a stronger recall as well, and leash manners. So these are the things that we'll be working on. Check back in 7 days and see how Mac is doing. Bye. Good boy.